So I'm totally amazed at how much heat my laptop is putting out. If you ever find yourself in Antarctica, so long as you have power in this old MacBook Pro, you'll be fine. It'll keep you warm. Like, man, this room's getting hot. All right, hands-on exercise number 7. Hands-on exercise number 7. Which should be this one right there. And that's going to be number 7. Perfect. So hands-on exercise number 7 is create a slice of string. So that's going to be this, a slice of string. Do you see that, right? Here's the slice of string, that's a type. And we're creating a slice of that. And so actually the type is a slice of string. That's the type. It's not like there's 2 types there, but it's easy for me, I think easier for humans to kind of read it that way. Store the following data in the multi-dimensional slice. Cool. So go try that hands-on exercise, pause the video. When you finish, come back, start the video back up. I'm going to show you the solution, which is here, right now. You know the routine, but I just like to say it to encourage you, because I'm your coach, I'm your champion. I'm encouraging you to do the hands-on exercises, because that's going to help you actually learn to do it. It's like riding the bike. You get out there, you ride it, you actually learn. So we want to store this data in our slice of string. So let's go over here, and we'll go to the Golang Playground and just make sure I've got the URL from the last one. Perfect, I do. So I could get rid of all this. And we'll have a slice of string. So the first thing I think I'll do is, just have a slice of string, and I'll put in one of the values. And there we go. We'll do it like that. Shaken, not stirred. And then we'll copy all this and do it again. And we'll get rid of that one. And do that. There's our first composite literal. XS1, and here's XS2, living to excess. And we'll get that one. And there's our next composite literal. And we could print each of those out. XS1. Boom, boom, boom. Just to verify, XS2, format, run. I blew something up. So XS1, slice of string, composite literal, commas, and invalid identifier character. I think that means that I have some formatting characters in here that it doesn't like. So I'm going to take these over to, what I just did there is I copied it off of this page. I stuck it into the browser bar. I pasted it. I selected it again with Command A, and then I cut it with Command X. And all of that was to strip away any of the HTML and any of the formatting and leave me just with text. So when I come back here to the Golang Playground and I drop that in, right, there's the first part. And I'm going to drop in the second part. Same thing. Let's see if it runs. Ah, didn't run. Slice of string, James Bond. Let's try these. Because those are looking like funny quotes. And I'm leaving this in just so you could see the troubleshooting. And now let's run it. Nice. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Grab it again. Come back there and paste it in. And then get rid of this. And so hopefully that'll work for you when you copy it over, because I typed those in with whatever other notations, and you would have never even hit that problem if I fixed it up. Alternatively, if these didn't work, I could go to backticks for you. So if it does cause a problem, just let me know. I'll switch it to backticks in the course outline, and that should fix it for future students. Cool, so now we have that. Now we're going to create another slice. So this will be a slice of string, colon equal, and it's going to be a slice of string, and then put in our values. And let's print that out. Boom. Run. A slice is a slice of string. And now we could do some ranging over it. Did I say that? Range over the records, then range over the data in each record. That's kind of nice. I don't know if I read that part in the description. Hopefully you saw it. So for index value, colon equal, range, XS. And that's going to give us a slice of string, right? That'll give us a slice of string. And I don't really need the value, the index. I'm going to throw it away, and I'm going to call this one I could call it XS because these are XS1 and XS2. And so now I'm going to do a 4, and I could throw away the index, and I just need the value. And I think I will keep the index here. So XS, this will just be index. Index, we'll just call that an index. And we'll do format, print line, and we'll do record, index, and then we will do for index, and this will be just the next iteration, and this will be value colon range, and we're going to range over that slice that we're getting from this one, and then we'll print out percent. We'll do a tab, and then we'll do %v, and we will pass in j, and this is index position there, and then we'll do another tab, and we will do value. That looks kind of funny. We could also do it like this. Index position and value. And value will be %v. And we'll have a tab before that. And then we will also have the value, which is there. Cool. So I have %v and I have v, so I think that might cause some confusion. So I'm going to change this from v for value to just val. So making your code readable is, Command C, Command V, is one of the goals you want to go for. So other people come in and really quickly understand your code. I didn't want confusion about v being used here and being used here and then being used there. I think that's going to run. So for each record, it'll then loop over each of the fields in the record. So let's check that out. Format. And in argument list in page 1955, 19, missing comma in argument list and one more error. Tab, index position, val, comma right here. There we go. Record 0, index position 0, value James, index position 1, and I could do a new line after each of these, clean this up a little bit. Run. Cool, I like that better. Record 0, index position 0, value James, index position 1, value Bond, index position 2, value shaken not stirred, record 1, la 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 la. That's pretty sweet. I like that. All right, and did it say that we could use range? Did it say that we could use range? Yeah, then range over the data. Anonymous Squirrel has replied. Let's see what Anonymous Squirrel says. Hey Todd, sure am. Just doing some editing for my weekly podcast at the moment, but can't wait to get into a routine with this. This is Drew, by the way. I guess because it's view only, I'm showing as anonymous. Sweet Drew. Totally cool to see. You were an anonymous squirrel. Nice to know who it is. I love this small world. Totally neat. All right, that's hands-on exercise number whatever, 7.